The way I always like to think about it is Leon Paul is kind of the Rolls Royce of fencing equipment. If it's me and I'm putting a mask on my head and I'm going to go fencing, I want something that's actually going to protect me and want the highest quality of kit available.
We're a fourth generation family business set up by my great-grandfather in 1921, and we produce fencing kit for the sport of fencing, which is distributed all over the world. We keep as much manufacturing in-house as we possibly can to maintain quality control and standards, and we're constantly looking to kind of innovate and produce new products.
This is the Leon Paul Fencing Centre that you can see behind me here, which is the home of the GB fencing team.
We've got basically the only large dedicated fencing centre in the UK.
Believe it or not, OrderWise was recommended to us by a direct competitor of OrderWise.
The benefits of OrderWise are, I could probably be here for ages saying what they are.
We've got 35 to 40% additional capacity through the warehouse. It's enabled us to bring down service delivery to our customers. It does enable us to monitor performance of the departments that use it. So obviously I know what calls my team have made, I know the volume of calls, I know the quality of calls. When it comes to managing our returns, we now understand why our customers are returning our products. So it does make us more focused around what a customer needs as opposed to what we think it needs.
With such a simple input system, to then give you so many different ways to input what would be incredibly complicated and so easy to make a mistake.
Pre-OrderWise, you'd have to learn where everything was, you'd have to work out where to go. Now the system sends you to the locations that need to be picked, so it saves a lot of time. Someone new could come in and pick it up very easily, while if they didn't have that system, you'd actually have to physically teach them every single product.
We can see the stock that our agents in America have, or in France. Before, we couldn't do these kind of things. Let's say before it would take maybe like half a minute to a minute to ship an order. Now it's like a couple of seconds.
There's a lot more integration, in fact, that we can do in terms of getting all of their stock onto OrderWise, which is something we're in the process of doing at the moment, and I think that will give us better visibility across the whole group.
I still work the same amount of hours, but I reckon I probably do 3 times the work, and I'm not 3 times as stressed. So it's just added value all around the business.